At a small shelter in Oregon, something extraordinary was happening. A blind senior dog named Max had learned every corner, every obstacle, every safe path. When Max first arrived, he bumped into walls and struggled to find his food bowl. The staff watched with heavy hearts as he navigated his dark world. But Max refused to give up. Day by day, he mapped the shelter in his mind. Every turn, every doorway, every obstacle became part of his mental blueprint. Within weeks, Max moved with startling confidence. He knew exactly where the food stations were, where the soft beds lay, where the safest paths led. Then, something remarkable happened. A newly blind puppy named Luna arrived, terrified and disoriented. She cowered in the corner, refusing to move. Max approached Luna slowly. He gently nudged her with his nose, then began walking beside her, guiding her step by careful step through the shelter. Staff members watched in amazement. Max would pause at obstacles, wait for Luna to understand, then continue forward. He had become her eyes. When Luna grew confident, another blind dog arrived, then another. Each time, Max stepped forward as their patient, gentle guide through darkness. Max developed his own system of communication. Gentle nudges meant stop. A warm body beside them meant safety. Soft whimpers warned of obstacles ahead. The shelter staff realized they were witnessing something extraordinary. Max wasn't just surviving his blindness. He was transforming it into a gift for others. Over 2 years, Max guided 17 newly blind dogs through their first terrifying days. Each one learned confidence from his unwavering patience and wisdom. Max proved that intelligence isn't just about solving problems. Sometimes it's about becoming the solution that others desperately need. True intelligence means turning your greatest challenge into someone else's greatest hope. This incredible story shows us the depths of animal compassion and intelligence. If Max's journey touched your heart, please like this video and subscribe for more amazing animal stories.